Today I want to show you this cool little gadget that I found to mount my GoPro. I think you're going to like it. I wanted to show you this cool little GoPro mount that I just got. Now this is attached to my bike, but I went searching for a GoPro released, a quick release mount, and I found this, and it's awesome. It has a little mechanism that allows you to quickly release your GoPro and quickly put it back on. It is perfect for whatever adventure you're on where you're using your GoPro. The trickery and the sorcery behind this is a magnetic mount, and not only is it magnetic, but it will let you lock it in place, so you can just pop it in there and it's in there. Its magnet is holding it. It's pretty hard to get out, but to give you double security, you can simply just twist it and lock it into place. Now, not only does it come with this GoPro attachment, see right here, it's magnet. It's not going to come off, and I haven't even twisted it, so you just twist it and it locks it. But it also comes with a mount with the 1/4-20, so you can mount this on a tripod and still have the GoPro quick release there. So it comes with both attachments, so that, in my opinion, is just a fantastic little accessory for your GoPro.